Eve is a mom. The rapper announced on social media Thursday morning that she gave birth to her first child with husband Maximilian Cooper, a baby boy named Wilde Wolf 5 Alexander Summers Cooper, on February 1st. "Words can't describe this feeling, sparkles, sparkles, sparkles," she wrote on Instagram alongside a photo of her newborn swaddled and sleeping in a bassinet. Cooper shared the same photo on his Instagram account, adding, "Let the wild rumpus begin." The Let Me Blow Your Mind rapper, 43, announced in October 2021 that she was pregnant for the first time. "Can you believe it? At Morgan Ball 3000 we finally get to tell everyone, heart," she captioned a photo of her baby bump on Instagram. "You all know how long we've been waiting for this blessing. We get to meet our little human February 2022. While this is the former The Talk co-host's first biological child, she's been a stepmom to Cooper's children since their 2014 wedding. The race car driver, 49, is father to Lotus, 19, Jagger, 17, Cash, 15, and Minnie, 13, from his previous marriage. In December, Eve expressed her desire to have kids after meeting her now husband and growing close with his kids. "It's been now 10.5 years I've been in their lives and they've been in my life," she shared with People. "They've grounded me. In the beginning, when I first met my husband, then boyfriend, I was like, this is never gonna last because you got 4 kids. How's this gonna work? But then I met the kids and honestly was like, wow, kids are amazing.